I just finished Rapid Recurring Revenue and it's solid. This isn't my product, but I'm promoting it because it actually works. Most recurring income courses are pure fluff. This one cuts straight to simplified systems that eliminate the monthly income roller coaster. No overbuilding, overthinking, or endless content creation. Just practical models for predictable monthly revenue without coding. But here's why you should grab it through my link. I've created an exclusive bonus package that handles all the execution. Bonus #1, Recurring Revenue Command Center AI, my custom AI assistant that guides you from idea to execution step by step. Bonus #2, Affiliate Recruitment Kit, AI-powered system generating JV docs, outreach emails, and my proven Warrior Plus launch plan. Bonus #3, Recurring Income Blueprint, SaaS First Edition. Build simple tools without coding. Validate and monetize same day. OTO bonus. Video course builder, software. Transform ideas into complete video courses in minutes, not weeks. Plus, my private community Facebook group for Quandas, implementation sprints, and WhatsApp support. The bottom line, solid training plus my execution bonuses equals actual results. Ready to escape the monthly income struggle? Grab Rapid Recurring Revenue through my link and unlock these exclusive bonuses. Your recurring revenue starts today.